Good Wednesday morning, everyone. It's super early, getting ready to go out on another video shoot for Forging Friendships. So I was working on a video yesterday, was being goofy with the daughter, watching some funny videos, getting some laughs, and I was gonna put that up as today's content, but editing that thing, I was running 3 different cameras on us to get the reactions, and I've got different videos that I'm splicing in so you can see it in the quarter screen. And cutting through and making sure the audio lined up and getting the reactions at the right time. That was just bit off a little more I could chew to get edited in 12 to 16 hours to have it ready for today. So I scrapped that and I thought, all right, well, what am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? I gotta keep the rhythm. Gotta have something for today. And then it hit me. I've had a lot of people asking, what it takes to do all the things that you're doing filming wise. So I thought it would be a good idea to give a quick little behind the scenes for packing and setting up and all that kind of stuff. So I'm just going to show you that real quick. Obviously you can tell the quality of this video is not that great doing my cell phone because everything's already packed up. Didn't want to bust everything out. All right, so this is the gear desk. I'm going to start with camera bag number 1. Got the camera. This is a Canon M50. Decent little camera, nothing spectacular, but it gets the job done. GoPro Hero Black 8, lenses. These are all different lenses. I'm using this one primarily. This is a 10 to 18. Gets a really good wide shot. For all my slow-mo and crisp looking stuff, I'm using Nikon 50mm Nifty 50. That gets some really nice buttery looking stuff. And sometimes, not often, I'll use a Nikon 70 to 300, depending on the kind of look I want, how far away things are. Different adapters for different lenses to fit, because this only takes a certain type of lens. I couldn't use these two on that without one of these adapters. Anyway, batteries are in these, battery bank, microphone setup, all the different memory cards. There's a lot of them. And this is a cool little case. Underneath, you can put the mini SDs. So those are kind of hidden out of the way. And the drone puts the mini SDs along with the GoPro. Another boom mic under there. This is a adapter for a controller for the drone handle. Filters are in here. The Peter McKinnon ND filters. Moving on to bag 2, crummy little extra handheld that I'll put up on a tripod to get a second angle shot for interview stuff, and then just a bunch of paraphernalia. Battery chargers, lens batteries, more chargers, extra stuff for the GoPro, selfie stick and chargers. All this is GoPro and second cam related. Nothing fancy in there. And then this one is the drone case. What? I thought. But I saw the drone get hit by a duck. Yes you did. Drone, Mavic Mini, extra batteries, the charger and the charging plug. The remote are actually charging right now. And we've got our ND filter cable that I use, the ND filters. 2 are missing, well, 1 is missing. 1 is actually on the drone itself. The other one was on the drone that went down. So I am missing one of those filters. Extras, antenna range extender, awesome hard case to keep it protected. Moving on. Extra lenses. I don't really use these lenses for the video shoots. These are just lenses that don't really give me the look or the size frame or the clarity that I want for what we're shooting. Whatever, other things that aren't necessarily filming. So I've got those in a separate bag. I take them with me just in case, but I don't ever use them. And lighting's not gonna be that great, but all our different lights. The lighting's not great because the lights are in the box. Lights that we use on set, I got 3 of them. They're the GVM You know, they're not that great, but they get the job done. And then under there, it's just a ton of little extra stuff, with the exception of these guys. That's another controller and another charging bay for the drone. Most everything else under there I don't ever use. And don't ever use those because they're garbage. Don't waste $100 and get those. And that completes the mini tour of all the gear. I will leave you with a little montage of footage that we have gotten from the drone, all put together for your enjoyment. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Deeply appreciate it. Spread the word, share it around as far as you can. Get ready for Forging Friendships, October 1st. You guys have a wonderful Wednesday. Bye. I know that.